Today's word is nause. Nause could have two meanings, depends on the kanji that's used. The first one, nause, which means to cure or to heal. The second one, nause, which means to fix or to put back again in its place or to reorder. And now let's see an example for the first one, which means to recover. Kaze o naoshita hogai. Kaze means cold or flu. Naoshita, naosu, the verb in ta form is naoshita. Hogai would be really good. It could also be translated as you should. Let's just take a look at this piece of grammar. Hogai means should or had better. The structure is combined from the verb in the ta form plus hogai. And now the same pronunciation, different kanji and different meaning. Naosu here means to fix. Boku no omocha o naoshite. Boku no, it's just like another way of saying watashi, but it's a male version. Omocha means toy. O naoshite, please fix my toy. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.